Hello everyone and welcome back to another Study Monster bite-sized Python video. This one focusing on string manipulation again, specifically looking at the count method and the length function. Right, so back with our second string manipulation video. As you can see, we've still got our variable with our messy string contained inside of it. First thing we're going to look at is another superpower, another method is the count method. So we're going to use the print function, we're going to pass our message in there, our message variable, access our methods by pressing the full stop, and we're looking for count. Now count is really powerful. It allows you to find how many instances of a character or a combination of characters exist in a string value. So if we were to search for how many S's are available, are in this string value, we'll know that we've got 1 and 2 S's in here. So if we run this, we should get the value 2 back. Doesn't just have to be one single character, like we said earlier. It could be a combination of characters. So if we again use the count value, but this time we do LL, so we can see here we've got one L followed by a second L, and we run this, we should get the value 2. Now the count method is capitalization matters. So if I was to search for an E in this one and run it, it's going to provide us with a value 1, and that's because it's looking for a capital E. So you'll notice we've got one capital E here, but we do have a second E, but that's not a capital letter, so it's only going to return 1. So with the count function, capitalization matters. Now, next one is not a method, this is another function. We're going to use the length function. There might be a scenario where you need to figure out how many characters in a string value, how many characters a user's entered. Might be to check the length of a username, a password, or something like that. So we're going to use the print function again. But just like now, we're not going to use the variable and then the full stop to access a method. We're going to just print another function. So if we use the len or the length function and then pass our message into it, our message variable into it, and run it, we will get 14. So if we count these, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our space is 6, that is a character, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we've got 14 characters in that string value. And that's it for this one. If you want a more in-depth look at string manipulation, please visit us on YouTube and beast mode your revision. See you in the next one.